बिल्कुल फर्स्ट लेक्चर है आज आपका?
For
Yes, for conic section.
yes.
Okay. So we'll start from conic section. So in conic section, there are 4 types of figure we will study. First, ellipse, hyperbola, parabola, and circle. These are 4 types of figures we will study in conic section. Okay, first we will study circle. Okay, so these type of figures come from a cone. Okay, there is a cone like this. Okay, and in all these shapes we apply a plane, okay, which will cut this cone. So in case of circle, the plane will cut like this and the cone will look like from the downward side as this. Okay, you can see the circle forming downward. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, similarly in case of parabola, if we take the cone like this, the plane will cut the this cone as that way. Okay, so the cone will form from here like this, and from this side it will look like this. Okay, so ultimately it will look like a parabola. You know the shape of the shape of a parabola?
No.
Okay, no problem, we will study that later. Okay, we will start today with circle. Okay, circle is nothing but a simple figure, as you know. Okay, it look like this, and there is a center point. Let's say this point is C. Okay, and let's say there is a point A here. Okay, so the distance between the center and this A is known as what?
Radius.
Radius. Yes. And similarly, if we take a another point B here, then what will be that distance?
Radius, same as before.
Yes. So circle is nothing but set of all points which are equidistant from the fixed point, and the fixed point is what? The center of circle, which is center of circle. Okay, which means AC is equals to BC equals to radius. Okay, and see, the center of circle, we denote it by the coordinates h comma k. Okay, the coordinates of center, we denote this at h comma k, and let's say we take the point A, and we will take the coordinate as x comma y. Okay, so you know the distance formula?
Yes.
Like if we take x1 y1 and another point x2 y2, can we find the distance between these 2 points?
Yes.
So can you recall the formula?
x2 minus x1.
Yes, under root x2 minus x1
yeah.
whole square plus
y2 y2 minus y1
whole square. Yes, so similarly we will derive the equation of circle with this formula. Okay, so if we write the equation of circle here, okay, so let us find the distance between A and C. So what will be the AC? X minus h whole square. Yes.
X minus h whole square
plus y minus k whole square equals to what? This is what? Radius. Yes. Now we will squaring both the sides. Squaring both sides. So x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. This is the general form of circle. Okay, general equation of circle, where h and k are what? Coordinates
Center.
of center. Yes, and r is radius. Okay, so note it down.
I have noted it down.
Okay, so I will give you a question. Find the equation of circle having center at 1 comma 2. Okay, at 1 comma 2 and radius 5 units. Okay, so can you find the equation of circle with these values?
Right.
We have center 1 comma 2. So first we will do both together. Okay, so what will be the h and k value here?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Yes, and radius is given as 5. So we will just put these values in the equation. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to 5 square. So h and k are x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 5 square. Okay, now tell me the equation of circle which has the center coordinates are 3 comma minus 4. Okay, and radius is 5 units. Now tell me the equation.
Mm, X minus h square plus y minus k square equals to r square.
Yes, the question that's the general formula. Now put the value of center. This is a center coordinates.
5 minus 1 whole square.
It's 3 comma 4.
3. Center.
Yes, these are h comma k. We know that center coordinates are allotted as h comma k.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Mm,
So in equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to, let r is given as 5 square. Okay, so what will we put in place of h?
h we will put 3.
Yes, 3. X minus 3 whole square. Okay, in place of k what will put?
Minus 4.
Minus
Or
4.
y.
So remember, in case of this k, the value is given as minus 4, so we will put the value minus 4. Okay, like this.
Mhm.
Never confuse between the negative and positive sign. So x minus 3 whole square plus y. Now what will it begin? The minus and minus
Plus
will form plus.
4.
Square is equals to 5. Okay, इसका ध्यान रखना. Okay, note it down.
Yes. I've noted it down.
Okay. Now the question says, in each of the following find center and radius of circle. Okay, we have given the equations. We will just determine the center and radius. So in case of this question, x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to 36. What will be the coordinates of center and radius? Tell me.
the center is 5,3. But yeah, I don't understand. Can you,
See, in equation, compare this with this equation. Y minus k whole square equals to r square. So x minus h is equals to 0. Okay, assume that.
yes.
Okay, so here what will be the value of h? If we write x plus 5 equals to 0, what will be the value of x? Here as minus 5. Okay, and here what is the value of x? H. So what is the value of h?
H is -5.
Minus 5. So the center coordinates will be what? Minus 5 comma 3. Okay,
Okay, yes.
here's the previous question that we have done. Okay, and what will be the radius here?
Yeah, 36 by root 36.
Yes, root 36, which is 6. Yes. Okay, now in the question here, x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square equals to 25. Now tell me.
The center would be -1 comma -2,
Yes,
and radius is 5.
yes, good. Okay, now you understand the positive and negative sign purpose. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Note down if you want to.
I've noted it down.
Okay. See, if the question says find the equation of circle having center at origin and radius 2 units. Okay, so what will be the equation of circle having center at origin and radius 2 units?
Uh, the center would be 0 comma 0.
Yes, so h comma k will become 0 comma 0. So the equation will look like x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to 2 square. So x square plus y square equals to 2 square. Okay. Now the question is the previous one, find the center and radius. Okay, I'm repeating the previous question. So the equation are given as like this: x square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 8 equals to 0. Okay, in this the equation is open, like we have given like a question, if x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to 4. Okay, I have taken the example like this. So in this the equations are open, like x square plus 2 square, you know the formula a minus b whole square, a here also a minus b whole square. So they open the equation. Okay, now they are asking to find the center and radius. So for that we need to convert this equation into this form. Yes,
Yes.
because उससे पहले तो हमें पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि इसका center कहाँ पर है, हम
Yes,
इसको
yes.
देख के पता नहीं कर सकते ना. So we need to convert this equation into x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square form. Yes, so for that there is a, you can say, a trick or a general formula. Okay, minus 8 equals to 0. So what we do is, see what is the coefficient of x here?
Y.
The coefficient of x is 8.
Oh, 8. Okay.
Yes, and in case of y, what is the coefficient of y?
10.
Yes, 10. So what we do here is do x square plus 8x, then half the value of 8. So what will be the half of 8?
4.
4. So now add 4 square and minus 4 square. So will it affect this equation or not?
Yes.
How?
Yes.
See, if there is a question like if there is equation like x plus y equals to 0. Now if I add plus 1 and minus 1, will it affect this question? Sorry,
No.
equation. So what I did here, I just add plus 4 square and minus 4 square. So ultimately this is what, 0.
Yes.
Yes. So similarly we will apply here also, y square plus 10y plus, what will we do here? Coefficient of 10. What is the half of 10?
5.
So now we will add 5 square and subtract 5 square with this equation. Minus 8 equals to 0. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
So can I rub the upper part?
Yes.
Okay. Now see carefully. Plus y square plus 10y plus 5 square minus 5 square minus 8 equals to 0. So can you see the formula generating by these three terms?
Yes. A plus b whole square.
Yes. So x square plus 4 square plus 8x is what? X plus 4 whole square.
Yes.
Yes. So we will write x square plus 8x plus 4 square as x plus 4 whole square. Yes. Now what we left with? Minus 4 square. So we will remain, put this minus 4 square as with these numbers. Okay. So now convert this form. Can we convert this to y plus 5 whole square?
Yes.
Yes. So y plus 5 whole square. Now what we will be left with? Minus 4 square minus 5 square and minus 8 equals to 0. Okay. Now आपको इक्वेशन आती हुई दिख रही है वाली, हमारी जनरल फॉर्म वाली? Yes.
Yes.
Now 4 square is what? 16 minus 5 square is 25 minus 8 equals to 0. So 16 plus 25 and 8 is what? 25 plus 16 is 11, 14, 41, and with 8 is 49. So we got this equation as x plus 4 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square minus 49 equals to 0. Now if we take minus 49 to the right side, so x plus 4 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square equals to 49. Can we write 49 as 7 square?
Yes.
So now tell me the center and radius of this equation.
The center is minus 4 minus 5.
Yes, and the radius
Radius
will be
7.
7. Now understood the procedure of these kinds of question?
Yes.
Now if I give you a question, can you do that?
Yes.
Okay, first note this and then I will give you the question.
I have written.
Okay. So find the center and radius of x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y equals to 45. Okay. Got something?
Almost. One second.
Okay. Okay, Omar. So may I solve?
Yes.
Okay. So you got something?
No, I'm having a mistake.
Okay. So which numbers did you add and subtract from this equation?
On x side, 2 square minus 2 square.
Okay. So minus 4x. plus 2 square minus 2 square. And in case of y square, y okay,
Plus 4
in case of
square
y,
minus 4 square. Plus 4 square minus 4 square.
subtract. Yes, 4 square and minus 4 square equals to 45. Okay, now can you see the equation forming here and here also?
Yes, yes.
So
A
what
plus
will
b
be here? See again.
X.
See x square plus 2 square minus 4x. So x
4
minus 2 whole
minus
square.
2
No?
square. Yes.
Yes, in case of y,
Y minus 4 whole square.
whole square. So which numbers are we left with? Minus
Minus
2
2
square, which will
square.
be what? Minus 4. And minus 4 square is minus 16 is equals to 45. Okay. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. We will take this number to the right side. So 45 plus 4 plus 16. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equals to 45 plus 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. 45 plus 20 is 65. So the center coordinates will be what? 2 comma 4.
Yes, and radius is
Yes,
60.
and radius will be root 65. Okay.
How
So understood?
when it's
Yes.
minus root 2 and minus root square 4, 2 square and
Yes.
minus 4 square, minus 2 square and
Mm-hmm.
minus 4 square, and then when you squared them, which is minus 2 into
Yes.
minus 2, wouldn't be plus 4?
No, 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 no. That same doubt was from the previous class also. The student asked from this. See, this is not a minus 2 whole square. See, if we add 2 square and minus 2 square, this is plus 2 square.
Oh, okay.
Okay, matlab, what will be the 2 square here? 4.
Yes.
So suppose we are adding 4 and minus 4, subtracting 4. Okay, now understood. This is not a
Okay, yes.
minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square will be what? 4 plus 4.
Yeah.
So if we add 4 and again we are adding 4, then it doesn't make to sense. Yes,
Yes.
it will affect the equation. Like if we adding 4 plus 4 here, then we should add 4 plus 4 here also at the right side. Yes,
Yes.
which we do not have to do that. We just subtract and add one number, which is 2 square is 4, and subtract 2 square from this equation also. Similarly here 4 square is 16. Now we are adding 16 to this equation and subtracting 16 from this equation also. Okay,
Yes.
understood?
Okay. Okay.
So the question is complete. Now can I erase? Yes.
Yes, I've written.
Okay. See, the question here is x square plus y square. Now try this question. Minus 8x plus 10y minus 12 equals to 0. Minus 8x plus 10y minus 12 equals to 0. Now tell me the numbers which will be adding and subtracting from this equation.
My 4 minus 4, 4 square minus 4 square.
Yes, x square
My
minus 8x
four
plus 4 square minus 4
minus
square.
4
Yes.
square. And
Yes.
y
Similarly here
square,
in case of
y square mine plus 5 minus 5 square.
yes, minus 12 equals to 0. So now you understood the concept of what is this minus 4 square. It is not minus 4 whole square. It is just a 4 square which is subtracting from this equation.
Yes.
Means we are subtracting 16 from this equation. Okay. So now This equation is what?
X minus 4 whole square.
4 whole square. Yes. Plus what will be this equation?
Y minus 5 whole square. Y
See that
plus
again.
plus. Y
Yes,
plus.
yes. Y plus 5 whole square. Now we are left with minus 4 square, minus 5 square, and minus 12. Now we will take these three numbers to right side. Okay. So minus 4 square will form plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 12. Yes.
Yes.
So 4 square is 16 plus 5 square 25 plus 12. So now if we add these numbers, 16 plus 12 is what? 28. Now 28 and
53.
53. Okay. Now x minus 4 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square equals to 53. Now the center coordinates are
4 comma minus 5. Radius is 53.
yes 4 comma minus 5
53.
and radius is root 53. Okay.
Yes.
Note this, then we will proceed.
I have noted.
Okay. See, if we have given something that circle is passing through, circle having a center on x-axis. Okay, and we don't we know the radius as let's say 5. Okay, so can we draw this image as like we don't have the value of center? Okay, the question says just only that the center of the circle is on x-axis, so it can be anywhere like here, here, but it just have a radius 5. Okay, all circles have 5, but these all circle have center on x-axis. Okay, so in these cases we take the center as x comma 0. Okay, because it just only have the x coordinate here, y coordinate will be 0 at all the circle center.
Yes.
Yes. So there is a question related to this. Find equation of circle with radius 5 units whose center lies on x-axis and passes through the point 2,3. ओके, तो आप एक बार मुझे इस क्वेश्चन को समझा सकते हो कि क्या कह रहा है क्वेश्चन? देन वी विल प्रोसीड. लेट्स
Find equation of circle with radius 5 units whose center lies on x-axis and pass through the point 2.3.
yes.
But
So the question, so can I explain?
Yes.
Okay, see, the question says find the equation of circle having radius 5. Okay, now we know that the radius of circle is 5 and the center of the circle is on x-axis. Okay, so it can be anywhere on x-axis, but they have given the condition that that circle passes through the point 2,3. Okay, so let's say there is 1, 2, 3, and similarly on y-axis 1, 2, 3. So 2,3 will lie somewhere here. Yes.
Yes.
2,3. Okay. Now, if we take the circle as the center x comma 0 here, okay, we don't know the value of x here, the center coordinate we don't know. We didn't there is no value of circle coordinate in the question. Okay, so can we draw the circle here as like it passes through 2, 3 and having x coordinate on the center on x axis? Okay, so if it passes through 2, 3 here, let's say the point 2, 3 is a. Okay, can we draw this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so can there be also another possibility of circle other than this circle? Can there be another circle which is also passing to 2, 3 and lies somewhere else on the x-axis?
Yes.
So can you tell me the location?
And if it was no,
Yes.
it can't.
थोड़ा सोचिए और.
If it could lie on the negative x-axis.
Yes. Good. See, it can be something like this. Yes, it is passing to 2, 3 and it having center on x, 0 here, where x is on the negative side of x-axis. Okay, so these two possibilities will be there. So the radius given is as 5. Okay, so radius is nothing but a point on a circle, the distance between the point on a circle and the center. Yes, we initially derived at the center C, point A here, and center is h comma k, point is x comma y. We just what we will find here, the distance only, under root x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Then we get the radius here. Yes, this is the distance formula here. Now we will apply same here also. Okay, so if we apply the distance formula with this, okay, let's say the point x comma 0 here is C. So if we find the value of AC, it will something look like x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square. Yes. Okay, and this is equal to what? The point on a circle and the distance, the distance between the point on a circle and the center is what?
It's a radius.
Radius. So this is what? This is the value of radius, which we already know, which is 5. Yes. Okay. So x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square is equals to radius. The radius is given as 5. Now we will squaring, if we square both sides, x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square is nothing but what? 9 square. Yes, equals to 5 square. 5 square is 25. Okay, we squared both sides. Now if we find the value of x minus 2 whole square is equals to what? When we subtract 25 from 9, we will got 16. Okay, now see, if we have given something like x square equals to 4, so what will be the value of x here?
2
plus 2 and also minus 2.
Yes,
Square root or already always open as plus 2 and minus 2. So similarly here, if we take a square root of x minus 2, so it will open as plus minus 4, means root 16 is what? Plus minus 4.
Yes.
So let's say the case 1 in which we are taking the positive 4. Yes, so x minus 2 equals to 4, so x will be what? 6. Okay, now the second case is we are taking the negative value of 4, so x minus 2 will be equal to minus 4, then x will be what? Minus 2.
Yes.
So we are realizing that the value of x are coming 2, means we are getting the two values of x. So this symbolizes that there are two circles which we have drawn already in the initial part of the question. Yes. Most of the students will think that there will only form a one circle which is passing to the positive side of x-axis. Then they will nothing do, they will open -2, x minus 2 as 4, not -4. Okay, that will be the major mistake. So always open the square root as +4 and -4, then we will get the values of x. We will get the values, two values of x. So here x is equals to 6, which means this is on a positive part of x-axis or negative part of x-axis.
The x
X is
minus
equals to 6 lies on positive
positive
x-axis
sign.
or negative? Yes, positive x-axis. So which means this point has a coordinate 6,
Yeah.
0.
Yes.
And similarly here, what will be the coordinate of center?
My minus 2, 0.
-2, 0. Okay. Now understood this question?
Yes.
So note it down. See, if we know the center of circle and the radius also, then we can find the equation of circle, which is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. वो आप अपनी तरफ से लिखना. मेन इस क्वेश्चन में फाइंड करना था हमें h and k. So there are two equations of circle in this question. Okay. So note it down.
I have written.
Okay, so इसमें कोई डाउट तो नहीं आपका इस वाले क्वेश्चन में? समझ में आना चाहिए, देखिए बस.
Yes, I've understood.
Yes. There is a question. Find equation of circle passing through the points 4, 1, 4, 1 and 6, 5, and whose center lies on a line 4x plus y equals to 16. Okay, first read the question and visualize the situation here. Then we will proceed. See, there is a circle given, okay, in which the circle passing through the point 4, 1 and 6, 5 means if we take anywhere on the circle 4, 1, yes, the circle is passing through 4, 1 and also from 6, 5. Okay, so 6, 5 can be anywhere here, here. So suppose we take 6, 5 here, 6, 5. Okay, it is passing through 4, 1 and 6, 5. That's what it is saying, passing through point 4, 1 and 6, 5, and whose center lies on a line 4x plus y is equals to 16 means the center of circle, which is C. Okay, and we take the coordinates as h, k. If we don't know the values of center coordinates, then we always take the values as h, k. Okay, remember that. Now it is saying that 4x plus y equals to 16 is a line which is passing through C. Okay, it can pass anywhere, like it can pass like this, like this, like this. Okay, it can pass anywhere. So we will take only the one case, like if it is passing like this. Okay, this is 4x plus y equals to 16. Okay, understood?
Yes.
So now we know the general formula, x minus h whole square y minus k whole square equals to r square. Now we don't know the value of r, we don't know the value of h and k. Okay, now if you remember that while deriving the equation of circle, we took the value, we took the center as h comma k and point on a circle as x comma y. Yes.
Yes.
Now can you find the value of x comma y by comparing in this question?
Mm. X comma y, it could be 4 comma 1 or 6 comma 5.
Yes, yes, it could be 4 comma 1 and also 6 comma 5. So we will put 4 comma 1 and 6 comma 5 in this equation. Can we put that? Because it is passing through the circle, means it will satisfy the equation of circle also, these points.
Yes.
So the in case of x and y, we will put 4 and 1. So 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square equals to r square. Okay, let's say this equation as 1. Now we can also put the values of 6 comma 5 here also. So 6 minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square equals to r square. So understood why we are putting the values 4 comma 1 and 6 comma 5 in this question?
Yes.
Because it is lying on the circle, so that is why it will satisfy the equation of circle also.
Yes.
Okay, any point on the circle which is lying, any point which is lying on a circle, it will definitely satisfy the this equation. Okay, so can we subtract both these equations?
Yeah.
So 4 minus h whole square minus 6 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square minus 5 minus k whole square equals to 0, because r square minus r square is 0. Yes. Now if we solve this equation, we will get the equation in two variables, because we don't know the value of h and we also don't know the value of k. Okay, so see, if a line is passing, let's say a line is 2x plus 3y equals to 1. Okay, I'm taking the example like this line is 2x plus 3y equals to 1. If a point here is let's say h comma k, okay, on a line, so this point will satisfy this line,
Yes.
because this point is lying on this line. So
Yes.
we can write this equation as 2h plus 3k equals to 1. Can we write this as, because
Yes.
ultimately these points are lying on this line, so we can put these value in this equation. Yes, so the same thing we will do in this also, in this thing also. So we know that 4x plus y equals to 16, which we have given this equation, is passing through center. Okay, and we have taken the coordinates as h comma k. So can we write this equation as 4h plus k equals to 16?
Yes.
Question 3. Okay, इसके नीचे लिख देते हैं, because h comma k will satisfy this equation. Yes, so till here आप इसको नोट करिए, then आगे प्रोसीड करिए. सी आप इसे भी लिख देना कि 4,1 and 6,5 will also satisfy this equation. Yes.
Yes, I've written.
Yes. Good. So can I erase?
Yes.
Okay. So what we got, 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus what was that, 1 minus k whole square minus 6 minus h whole square minus of 5 minus k whole square equals to 0. Yes, this is the equation we got at the final point. Now 4h plus k equals to 16. We also got this. So can we find the value of k from this equation? 16 minus 4h. Yes, we just take the 4h on the right side. आया समझ में आपको? Hello, Omar.
Yeah, I didn't understand this part.
See, we put the values of h comma k on equation 4x plus y equals to 16. You understood that? Yes.
Yes.
So can we find the value of k from this equation? We just put 4h on the right side. Okay, we shift
Yes.
4h to the right side. So k is equals to 16 minus h. Now we will put this value of k in this equation. So this equation will form with one variable, means 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus, what is the value of k? 16 minus 4h, and this is whole square minus 6 minus h whole square minus 5 minus k. What is the value of k? 16 minus 4h, again whole square equals to 0. Now can you see this whole equation is of one variable, only h, there is no k. Now can you find the value of h from this equation after solving all these? Yes. So this will take a long time. I will write, you will solve this equation. I will write the value of h here. H will come out to be 3 and k will come out to be, see, if we got the value of h, now we can write 4h plus k equals to 16. We initially know the value of this equation. So if we got h, can we find the value of k? K is equals to what? 16 minus 4h, and h is given, we found the value of h as 3. So k will be what? 16 minus 12, which is 4. So h and k will come out to be 3, 4. Okay, that's how we will do this question. Now we know the center coordinates, and if we know the center coordinates, can we find the radius value? How can you find the value of radius?
Yes.
Tell me.
The x square, sorry, yeah, x square plus root x square.
See, initially we find that 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square is equals to r square. Okay, this was our first equation previously. So now we know the value of h and k. Can you find the value of r? So 4 minus h is what? 3 whole square plus 1 minus k is 4 whole square equals to r square. So 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3, but minus 3 whole square is plus 9 equals to r square. So r will be what? Root 10.
Yes.
So that's how we will find this equation. The final equation will be what? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equals to 10. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please let me know.
Okay.